Good morning. It's Friday. This is Jeffrey Cohen. April 22nd. Today's top dividend paying stocks. These are stocks that are U.S. listed, traded every day, passed our extensive data validation. They're profitable. They're efficient. And they pay dividends greater than the dividends paid by the S&P 500 ETF. Two stocks. One is Blackstone and the other is Carlyle Group. You'll notice that both these stocks are money managers. We find money managers are among the top paying dividend stocks in our model. So let's take a look at Carlyle Group. So what's interesting is standalone, these are only a tiny bit more efficient than the S&P 500. But it's enough. So the S&P 500 is coming in at zero, which is what we'd expect. It's as efficient as the overall market. But the S&P 500 is expected to deliver a 6% capital gain and dividend yield over next year. Carlyle Group's expected to return 9, Blackstone 10. We look at the volume. These are trading hotter. They're trading more volume than last year. 154% and 200% of the average volume over the past year. Closing price, Carlyle Group is down 14%. Blackstone's down 3% over the average price of last year. What's also interesting is these are very low variance. In fact, Carlyle is lower variance than Blackstone. So pretty safe stock, pretty safe bet, doesn't move very much. And the actual dividend last year, 2.1% and 3.5%. Now what's interesting is you see that the S&P 500 is number 12. It's actually Python, so it's the 13th most efficient stock that you can buy in the stock market. In fact, QQQ is more efficient. And if you see IWM, which is a Russell 2000, is a 24th stock. So I got some other stocks highlighted. I know some people like more dividend stocks. So after you've bought all you can handle of the Carlyle Group and Blackstone Group, let's take a look at some others. These are slightly less efficient than the S&P 500. So if you have to hold one stock, it's not bad. Artisan Partners Asset Management, APAM, delivered an 8.2% actual yield last year. Doesn't mean you're going to do the same yield this year, but it's not bad. It's trading at a 15% discount to last year. Qualcomm, this one's a real heartbreaker. It's down 9% over last year. Low variance, 1.8% yield. Broadcom, 2.9% dividend last year. It's up 13%. Ameriprise Financial, another money manager, dividend of 1.6%. It's up 5% for the year. TE Connectivity, TEL, 1.4% dividend. It's down 12% for the year. T. Rowe Price, 4% dividend. Whopping dividend, down 24% over last year. It's not bad. Now, it's also interesting when you look at the stocks. These so far all have a CQNS score of 0. BlackRock, same thing, score 0. It's a 2% dividend. It's a little lower in the score now. Now we're at stock number 39. It's a 19% discount over last year. It's down 19%. Ares Management. We know them because they hold one of our favorite stocks. 2.8% actual dividend yield last year. It's up 8% over the year. Analog Devices, 1.7% dividend. Paid last year. It's down 4%. So those are the stocks that we notice that you might like if you like to build a dividend portfolio. And I want to thank you very much for listening. This is Jeffrey Cohen, Chicago Quantum. And if you'd like to see where our information is, right? So you open up a web browser. You say, Jeffrey, I'd like to see where your dividend picks are. Type www.chicagoquantum.com. Okay, you see our homepage. We are a registered investment advisor. Before you buy any of our services, you really should scroll down to the bottom there and read our brochure. The brochure explains all the costs, all the terms and conditions, everything you need to know about buying and using our service. So you click out of signing up for our newsletter. Hopefully you've already signed up. you look at research today's insights, you'll see what we're thinking. You can also go to market questions and data, top dividend stocks, top dividend paying stocks, or all the way to more top dividend paying stocks. So why do we have it 3 times? Because Google search seems to like different ones different times. And just to show you today's insights, last night we went in here and we shared the top insights from the model run last night. We actually came downstairs about 5 in the morning, finished our number crunching, gave you the best stock picks, gave you the two best dividend stocks. And so check it out on the website, right? You don't have to buy a run, you can just follow us. And if you're interested, we tweet. So go ahead and follow us on Twitter. We are at Chicago_Quantum. Again, thank you so. Oh, and here's our icon. We're the professorial-looking guy with the nice work, A+. And thanks so much, everyone.